Check this out. You ain't gonna believe how I got told off this morning by this unlikely source. Listen, okay to just not know what you're going to post all the time. It's okay to not know what you're going to talk about sometimes. It's okay to not even know what your video idea is about. Good morning, good morning. A beautiful day, a beautiful Sunday morning. Today I'm getting ready to start my day off. I learned a valuable lesson this morning, and it was from an unlikely, unexpected source, that it's okay to just not know what you're going to post all the time. It's okay to not know what you're going to talk about sometimes. It's okay to not even know what your video idea is about. But if you don't record something and you don't post something, that means you're missing 100% of the time. But if you do record and you do post, then you have a chance of it being a hit. So this unlikely source that told me about myself this morning. So I wasn't going to post this, but you know what? I said, I think I will, because what he said was true. So y'all listen to this. Check this out. You ain't going to believe how I got told off this morning by this unlikely source. Listen up. Well, whatever it is that you're doing
Mom
today.
don't know what she want to talk about, so I'm just gonna intervene. I tried to be quiet for her, so she don't know what to talk about.
Whatever.
She's trying to post something to make it a little routine, which is fine. You want to have, if you want to start your YouTube, you want to have the mindset of wanting to post every day. Not that you have to, but you want to have the determination to, make it constant. Make it consistent.
Okay. Maybe you should have your YouTube channel.
I know she's gonna put me up in here some way, somehow. But
yeah.
I try to be quiet because she don't know what to talk about.
You didn't have to say all that. Anyway, I really want to come on and say good morning and to encourage you to go ahead and make sure that you're being consistent, just like he said. Be consistent and posting every day if you can. If not, then just do it as often as you can. Just encourage you to do that, and to just say that
she needed a spokesperson, so I helped out.
I'm really not going to post this. You know that, right?
You should.
I'm not. I am not.
Why? That'd be pretty funny.
You're doing too much.
No, I'm not.
You're doing too much.
She need a little help. There's nothing wrong with that.
Okay, so you know how sometimes people just jump in your business and they be doing too much. Well,
I'm not doing too much.
They jump in your business and be doing too much.
I jumped in your business?
Yeah, he just jumping all up in my business. This is supposed to be, I'm talking to you guys. Listen, I'm talking to y'all.
I'm talking to you and I'm talking to her.
Anyway.
I'm just informing you guys of what the situation is.
Anyway, as I was saying,
oh God.
I'm just encouraging you all to make sure that you're posting consistently, because we want to get those watch hours up. We got to keep that community thing going. We want to be able to interact with one another and support each other by watching each other's content. And, just being a support to each other. So just be sure that you are posting consistently, which is what I'm trying to do on a regular basis.
Do it. You watch and do it. Mom, you do it.
You heard the man, right?
Get on it.
Gotta do what I gotta do.
Gotta do.
Bye, y'all.